Hi everyone! In the first episode, Li and Wang Nana were both very surprised to see each other. That's because they've met in the high-speed train, gaotie, before. Gaotie is short for 高速铁路, the high-speed rail. If your train is dongche, your train number will start with a D, yet gaotie will start with a G. The speed of gaotie can be more than 350 kilometers per hour. Now, more and more people choose to book the tickets online. They can also choose their seat preference. You can either pick your ticket from the ticket pick machine or, in most stations, you can just use your ID card to get into the station. Okay, let's see what happened when Wang Nana first met Lu Li.
第二集高铁。
第2站台上车，动车45654的旅客，拿好您的行李物品到往火车市第4站门口将在进站。第2站台上车。
谢谢。
不客气。
过来了，那个你放心吧，我上车了。
谢谢你。
不用谢。你去哪儿？
我去青年旅社。
啊，我也是。啊，我来帮你。
谢谢啊。
没事儿。
你也来上海旅游吗？
对啊。
If you want to share gratitude, you can say 谢谢 thanks or 谢谢你 thank you.
谢谢。
谢谢。
谢谢你。
谢谢你。
And the responses can be 不客气 you're welcome 不用谢 don't mention it
不客气，不客气，不用谢，不用谢。
If you want to sound more casual, you can say 没事儿
没事儿，没事儿。
It means that it doesn't cause any trouble for anyone. 我去 someplace means I will go somewhere. 去 means to go.
我去青年旅社。我去青年旅社。
Let's practice. 我去上海。我去北京。我去香港。你去哪儿 means where are you going? 哪儿 means where. So, where are you going?
你去哪儿？你去哪儿？
That's the difference between Chinese and English. The question words are where the answers are. 我也是 means me too. 也 means also or too.
我也是，我也是。
Now we know that Wang Nana and Lu Li are going to have a trip in Shanghai. Follow us and see what will happen next. 如果想学习更多有趣地道的汉语，就请关注我们吧。Want to learn more about interesting idiomatic Chinese? Just subscribe to do as the Chinese do.